Hello everyone. So let's talk about how to do IVR blasting in EasyGoIVR. So what is EasyGoIVR? EasyGoIVR is our hosted platform to implement your IVR system. So let's go to the setup section. Then we have there are lots of options there. So we select IVR Blast. Then we can create, we can add, or we can do edit of existing one. So let's click on the edit section, and here you can see this is all dynamic. So we just need to give IVR name, and we need to select the ID number, and from which date you want to start. You can provide the timing also, from which time you want to start. Then we can write down the script. So we have to write down the script in English only, and we can select in which language you want to do announcement. So there are lots of other languages: Gujarati, Kannada, Bengali, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, and then we can select the gender option. So in gender we have a male, female. Then we have a voice type. So which kind of voice you want to select. So then we can give the destination also. So where you want to send this call after that announcement. So we can do we can select ACD code also here. So whenever somebody is taking the call, after that we can transfer the call to the particular ACD, and there are agents logged in, they can take the call. So then we can select the terminate option also here. So we just select this and just click on the save, and let's do a test call. So we just activate, we already imported one file. So let's churn it again. So we click on churn and we click redial, and that's it, save. So now I'll get a call. So here you can see, so I just received a call. दोबारा से चंक. So I just received a call.
Dear Anuj Kumar, your loan amount of rupees 10,000 will be due on the 26th of November 2024. Kindly make sure you will be maintaining sufficient balance in your account.
So now again we go to the edit section and we change the language. So let us select the Hindi. So Hindi we select female, and the voice type neural, and then click on save, and again churn the data. So let's go to the churn. Now I'll get a call. So I just got a call.
Anuj Kumar, आपकी ऋण राशि रुके 10,000 पर देय होगा 26 नवंबर 2024. कृपया सुनिश्चित करें कि आप अपने खाते में पर्याप्त शेष राशि बनाए रखेंगे.
So you see in a demo, so we can select a language as per our requirement. So if you have any query, you can contact us. These are the below details. Thank you so much.